In this video, I'm going to explain what interjections are and how they function in English and in Spanish. The word interjection comes from Latin and it means thrown in. Interjection is a word or a non-sentence phrase that can stand for an expression because it has a meaning and it expresses emotions, feelings, or sensations. It is usually followed by a punctuation mark in English, while in Spanish we used to write it between two punctuation marks, generally exclamation marks, but we often used interrogation mark as well. It is often added to a sentence to give more emphasis on the emotion we are expressing. It is not a part of a sentence. It is put generally at the beginning of the sentence. According to Wikipedia, in English, the isolated usage of an interjection does not represent a complete sentence in conventional writing. Thus, in formal writing, the interjection will be incorporated into a larger sentence clause, while in Spanish it can be a complete sentence since they can describe an action. It doesn't need to be syntactically organized, and it does not have variations. Interjections express feelings like surprise, disgust, joy, excitement, or enthusiasm. They also serve to call the interlocutor as a greeting or as a taken leave. Besides, some interjections are sounds which do not exist in the phonetic alphabet because in some cases they are onomatopoeic words or some of them are just the elongation of a consonant. Here are some examples of interjections in English. Hey, get off that floor. Oh, that is a surprise. Good, now we can move on. Jeepers, that was close. In Spanish, interjections are classified in groups. The first group is called interjecciones propias. Those are composed just by a single word written into exclamation or interrogation marks. Some examples of these are a, arre, o, guay, uf. Then we find the second group, which is interjecciones impropias. Those are parts of speech like nouns, verbs, or adverbs which are used as interjections. Recorcholis, caracoles, ojo, caramba, diablos, rayos, cielos. There is also a group of interjections which are formed by two or more words that function as interjections. Some examples are Dios mío, cielo santo, madre mía, ay de mí. Those are called locuciones interjectivas. Besides, in Spanish, according to their form, interjections can be also classified into imitative and appellative. Imitative interjections are those which imitate a sound. Example, sas, boom, chas, meow. Appellative interjections are used to start a conversation. Example, psst, vengan por aquí.